hired us to do the talent grout. Let me do a zoom. And this is the original color. You can see in the kitchen area that is darker. They put new appliances. So the area of the kitchen area, we're gonna use the same Tsunami, that's an alkaline by Segers, but we're gonna do it slowly and carefully with the vapor steamer for the lines. Some areas are darker than another one. You can see right away here. Versus this one, right? This corner maybe was a sofa, and you can see right away the difference between the color between that line and this. They hired us to do just all the first floor. One bedroom here with master bathroom. Two closet area. Bedroom, master bathroom. Some paint because they were painting, not that much. Dining, entry, hallway, garage, bathroom, laundry area. So we are preparing everything. We are gonna use our bucket mop by Anger, and I'm gonna teach you how. Sonia is changing the brushes from the CRB or multi-surface scrubber. She is changing the black brushes for the carpet. She's gonna put the blue brushes for the talent grout. This is the equipment that we are gonna use. Our track mount that is right there. We bring the raincoat in case there is raining. All the attachment that we are gonna use. Scrubbers. This is the Hydrofor SX12. The spinner. This is the corner one. The Hydroforce Gecko for corners. Then for small areas, tight places, one line, one sprayer, flat mop, Anger swivel brush for talent grout. This brush that is Dirty Grout Demon. And sometimes we use the similar of this, depending on what we like. Sometimes we use this kind of brushes, but I bring all our vapor steamer brand new because we replaced the old one. For the area in the kitchen area, I think I'm gonna use the steamer, so I don't want to splash nothing on the new appliances. Tsunami, Sager Tsunami Talent Grout cleaner, glove, measure container. I'm gonna use first the alkaline, and then in case there is any stubborn line, the talent grout acid rejuvenator Vengeance.